Hello students, in the continuation of the topic charts in MS Excel, we will discuss how to format the chart areas. Before going into the details of that, let's first review that what are the method in which we can create a chart. First method is by simply selecting the cells, that is the data range, and by pressing the F11 key, chart will automatically appear in the spreadsheet by the Excel. In second method, you can select the data cells. After selecting the data cells, go to the insert menu. In the insert menu, select this chart option, column option. From here, so many different types of charts are available. Click any of the chart will automatically appear on the data sheet. Now come to the topic which we are going to discuss: formatting chart components. As we know that components of charts are title, chart area, plot area, x-axis, y-axis, legend, and data series. These are the some of the components of chart area. If we want to format them, then that can be done by simply double clicking the component of the chart. Means if you want to format the legend, then simply double click on the legend. If you want to format the chart area, then simply double click on the chart area. If you want to change the x-axis, then simply double click on the x-axis. If you want to change the y-axis, then double click on the y-axis. If you want to change the title of the chart, then simply by double clicking the title of the chart, you can be able to format the different components. So remember that if we want to format any of the component of the chart, then simply double click that component and a dialog box will appear which will help you to format the chart. For example, if we want to format the plot area, look at here, then simply double click on the plot area. Plot area means the area in which chart is plotted. So double click on this plot area. After double clicking on this plot area, this box will appear. This dialog box will appear which is showing the options: fill, to fill the color, no fill, solid fill, gradient, picture, pattern. After that, you can browse the picture, you can select any color or you can select any pattern from this here. And after that, when you click on this close button, the thing which you have applied on this chart formatted area, it will be implemented automatically over here. Here it is the option of shadow. If you click on this shadow option, that it will help you to apply different types of shadow to the chart area. Now formatting the data series. If we want to format the data series, means if we want to format the bar or the columns which is present on the chart area, then simply double click on that. After double clicking on the data series, this dialog box will appear. This dialog box will suggest you to fill the color, gradient, pattern, the border style, 3D format. Different types of options are available here. You can choose or you can test them one by one. As soon as you select any of the pattern or any of the color or any of the gradient from here, like this, if you want to select color, then that pattern, then the gradient or the different thing will be automatically applied to the data series. These columns which are plotted in the plot area, these are considered as data series. So how can you format the data series? simply double click on the data series. After double clicking on the data series, this dialog box will appear. This dialog box will automatically guide you to apply different color, pattern, style, texture, whatever pattern, color you want to apply on the data series. Simply select it and click on the close option. The color, the pattern or the texture which you have selected, that will be automatically applied to the data series. Now formatting the axis. If we want to change the axis, that is x-axis and y-axis, then this can be done by simply double clicking on the axis. After double clicking, this dialog box will appear, which will ask you to enter the width of the line, type of the line, color, or different types of formatting features are available, in which you can choose whatever you want to apply according to your requirement in the line. In the same way, here there is the option alignment. Alignment means position of the content on the plot area. Means if we want to plot is left plot, if you want to plot the chart towards the left of the plot area, then that is alignment left, center or right. That will be according to your choice. You can select the alignment from here. Now this option is for shadowing. If we want to apply some shadow on the data series, then this shadow can be used from here. Now formatting the legends. What are legends? Legends are the colored code which are basically used to identify the data series. Means here different types of bar are present with different color. If we want to identify which bar belong to which category, then the records which are present at the right side over here, these are considered as legends. If we want to format the legend, then how can we do this? By simply double click on the legends. After double click on the legend, you will get this dialog box. This dialog box will provide you various options to fill the color, border style, glow, shadow. Means you can apply different type of filling, color, pattern, texture from here. And after that, when you click on the close button, then the formatted feature which you have applied for the legend, that will change automatically. Now moving a chart. By default, chart appear on the same sheet on which the data range is present. But if you want to shift the chart to the next sheet, then this can be done very easily. First, you need to select the chart. First you select the chart, then go to the design tab. In the design tab, go to the design tab. In the design tab, you will find an option to move chart. This. As soon as you click on this move chart option, a dialog box will appear on the screen. This dialog box will ask you where you want to insert the chart. So if you want to insert on the new sheet, then click on the new sheet, or the sheet is the pre-existing sheet. Means you can choose any of thing on which you want to apply or you want to move the chart. If you select this new sheet option, a blank new sheet will appear in the workbook on which your chart will be present. And if you want to move the chart to some pre-existing sheet, then you can select the option from here, from the existing sheet. So after clicking on this, your chart will move to the required destination where you want to move the chart. So this is all about given in your chapter. Thank you.